This single building in the Texas desert uses as much power as 100,000 homes. And it's not the only one. While you were sleeping, a new empire was built in America. It's silent, it has no windows, and it eats more electricity than entire major cities. Tech giants are in a race. They aren't just building apps anymore. They are reshaping the physical world, pushing our power grid to the breaking point, and doing it faster than the law can stop them. Welcome to the era of the data center. We all hear about the AI boom, but we rarely see where it actually lives. Behind the scenes, companies like xAI, Meta, and OpenAI are building massive computer factories in places you'd never expect. Today, we're exposing the dark truth behind this growth. We're going to show you how these centers are hiding in plain sight, the staggering cost to the environment, and why your electric bill might be the next casualty. For years, these projects were kept secret, using fake names and hidden contracts. But a group called Epoch AI found a way to track them. How? They look for the chillers. By counting the cooling fans on the roof, researchers can guess exactly how much power is flowing inside. And the numbers are terrifying. Take OpenAI's project in Abilene, Texas. It's 875 acres. That's roughly 660 football fields. This single campus is expected to use as much power as the entire city of Seattle. If that scale is to you, hit the like button. It helps the algorithm show this truth to more people. Because Texas is just one example. This is happening everywhere. Normally, a project this big takes 2 or 3 years to permit and build. Elon Musk's xAI built the Colossus supercomputer in just 122 days. How? By moving faster than the city could handle. When xAI realized the Memphis power grid wasn't big enough, they didn't wait. They installed huge natural gas turbines right on the property to make their own electricity. The rule is, build first, apologize later. In Ohio, Meta is building a site that uses massive amounts of power. To put that in perspective, one of these centers can use as much energy as 50,000 homes. These places are like black holes for energy, and they are appearing overnight. Here is where it hits home for you. In states like Virginia, data centers now eat up 25% of the state's entire electricity supply. Experts predict that by 2030, the amount of power these centers need will double. When the grid fails during the next winter storm, the AI centers have backup generators the size of houses. You just have blankets. Their contracts often guarantee them power priority, meaning your lights go out so the chatbot stays online. It's not just the wires. Training just one big AI model creates as much pollution as driving 5 cars for their entire lives. We are trading our environmental goals for faster chatbots. Politicians often welcome these giants with massive tax breaks.
They attract investments that wouldn't otherwise have come there,
promising they will bring money to the town. But let's look at the math. Apple built a $1 billion data center in North Carolina. Do you know how many full-time jobs it created? Less than 100. These are ghost projects. They take up thousands of acres, they drink up the water supply for cooling, and they drive up electricity prices for everyone else, all while providing fewer jobs than a local Target. It's a massive transfer of public resources to private AI empires. We are standing at a crossroads. AI has the potential to change the world, but the physical cost is being hidden from us. These data centers are the new power plants of the 21st century, but they operate with barely any oversight. If we don't demand transparency now, we're going to find ourselves living in a country where the grid serves the algorithms first and the people second. We know who is building them, but we don't know who is paying for them. We are currently following the money trail to see which foreign investors are funding these American power drains. We'll be breaking that story in the next video. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching Limitless Tomorrow.